Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and welcome to yet another amazing svelte challenge. This time, a muffin top burning challenge. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna go through a quick demo of what we're gonna be doing in this exercise and then get straight into the workout. First exercise we're gonna be doing is high knees. So go ahead and scoot to the edge of your chair, all right? And it's as it sounds. Knees come up in the air with a nice flex foot, all right? And you're using your core muscles to bring your knee up to you, all right? We're not slouching down towards your knee. You can have your hands on your hips or out to the side, work your arms at the same time, all right? And really use those core muscles. Number 2 is side punches, all right? Boom, boom, boom. You're twisting your torso to really go to the side, all right? Really engaging those core muscles to twist and stay nice and upright, all right? Kind of like a torso twist. So if you don't want to do those side punches, you can do a torso twist instead. Next is a windmill, all right? A little bit of a wider stance, arms out to the side, and then hand goes for opposite foot. Boom. Up straight, all right, and then back down. You're using your core muscles to bring you down as flat as you possibly can until you start curving, and then those core and back muscles to bring you straight back up, all right? Last but not least, legs back in, hands behind your head, elbow to opposite knee. Boom, boom, boom. Remember, also crunching here. So you're crunching, but you're not slouching over, all right? Crunch, crunch. All right, if you want to do a kick crunch instead, so with a straight arm and straight leg, you can do that as well. And there we have it. Let's get right into it. First set, starting with high knees. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, together, shake it out, side punches. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Wide stance, windmill, let's go. Inhale as you come up, exhale as you go down. Inhale, exhale. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Very good. Hands behind your head, cross knee to elbow. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Release, shake it out, big breath. And 3, 2, 1, together, shake it out, side punches. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Wide stance, windmill, let's go. Inhale as you come up, exhale as you go down. Inhale, exhale. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and together, very good. Hands behind your head, cross knee to elbow. And 3, 2, 1, very good, release, shake it out. All right, 2 sets done, very good, big breath. Third set, let's go, crush it, high knees. And 3, 2, 1, together, shake it out, side punches. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, very good. Wide stance, windmill, let's go. Inhale as you come up, exhale as you go down. Inhale, exhale. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and together, very good. Hands behind your head, cross knee to elbow. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Release, shake it out. Alrighty, and that was it. Day 1 of your Muffin Top Toning Challenge. I hope you loved it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Which move was your favorite? Where are you from? And how excited are you for day 2 tomorrow with Coach Greg? I'll see you there.